Hello guys, welcome to channel Creator's Brain. So I am back after complete 3 years with a new language, that is Java. So these days I am working on Java, so I thought that I should share my learning with you guys. So as of now, what you all need to do is just find out my this Instagram ID java_language and follow me. On bio you will find my YouTube channel name, link and name Creator's Brain that you already know. So guys, here on my Instagram ID I have uploaded all the Java basic interview questions and also learning perspectives, all the details. For example, on let's take first slide. It shows what is Java, what is the use of Java, what is syntax of Java. So these three questions will be asked in your interview and also useful for your learning of Java. So I have shown the Java definition and then its uses, and then its use, like it is used to make games, web application, desktop application, etc. Then I have shown the syntax of Java, and then I have shown a program of Java. So like this I have covered all the topics like Java and difference between predefined and user defined methods, then what are data types in Java, and then difference between void and int method. Then next is variable use type, variable argument, what is variable argument, how we declare variable, etc. Everything I have described here with the example and also with the program, so you can find all the knowledge of Java. Also I have shown all the points on my highlights, like first I have started from how we create class. So here you can see how we create class, all the basic all the things that about Java will be written here, all the key points, all the examples. So guys, these highlights are very useful, you should go from here, and also you should read and practice on regular basis. So like this wise I have covered all the topics: argument, identifier, literal, scanner class, keyword. As of now I have covered these topics and a few more: method, variable, void method, data type, creating class. So as of now this 10 or 15 topics I have covered. So guys, you just follow me on Instagram page and you will find all the basic questions. So last story was mine is follow me on YouTube. So guys, you already know that I have a YouTube channel here where I have 919 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for showing all your love. I have got maximum view on my last video is 45,000 and second highest views are 23,000. So guys, thank you for all that love. Now what I will do is I will upload videos on regular basis on the language Java. So guys, it will help me on learning Java and it will also help you to learn Java. As we know that as of now, today every language have its own use and its own advantage. So if you are a BTech student and who has done BTech with computer science stream, then you should learn one language. So that language can be anything. For front end you can do front end designing with using HTML and etc. But for the back end you have to learn a language that can be .NET, that can be Java, that can be Servlet, that can be Python, PHP, etc. So guys, I like Java, so as of now I am planning to go with Java, so hope you too. So just be in connection, just follow this Instagram and YouTube channel for more knowledge. So see you again. As of now, goodbye and be safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.